This dry ice machine costs 250,000 Rand and it can completely transform your car. Now, I normally just go in with a degreaser and cloth, which is definitely cheaper. But are the results that different? Well, let's find out. So, starting off with method 1, the degreaser. It costs just 51 Rand. I'm going to do a half and half comparison so we can see which one actually comes out on top. So I begin spraying it and giving it a good wipe with the cloth. And here's the result. Next up, the 250,000 Rand dry ice machine. Let's see how that compares and whether it's actually worth that price tag. The gun uses about 9 bar of pressure with dry ice to do a deep yet safe clean of the engine. No chemicals, no water, and no damage. And the result? Well, not only does the right side, the dry ice clean side, have a deeper, richer color and absolutely zero dirt left, but it also left nothing behind on the surface. No residue, no moisture, nothing. So now let's see what this incredible machine can do to my GTI engine bay. And the engine bay is in disgusting condition. Now, because we're dealing with the engine bay, your electronics, wiring, all that sort of stuff, I was very fearful to ever properly try and clean the engine bay. This solution, however, is safe, takes away all that stress and worry, and I've heard a ton about dry ice cleaning and seen multiple videos. So I wanted to put it to the test with the only dry ice cleaner in Durban, South Africa, Ryan. So let's let him get to work. And already you can see night and day transformation. But Ryan is only getting started. Just wait until you see the final product. Lastly, Ryan will do the engine cover and then move on to polishing all the plastic, pipes and all over the engine bay. Ryan will then do one last check to make sure it is absolutely perfect. And then here's a look at the insane before and after. It is officially done and the results are unreal. Let me know what you think. As always, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.